Hi everyone, I'm Lex. I used to work for many years in OEM automotive quality inspection. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on the refreshed Tesla Model 3. First, same as usual, move the seat all the way back and remove the floor mat. On this refreshed Model 3, there are no screws underneath anymore. Use a trim removal tool and pry from this middle gap. Just pry it open like this. Once one side pops, continue along the edge and it will come off. But don't pull it hard. There are two wires inside. Don't pull the wires directly. Always unplug the connectors, not the wires. If you pull the wire, you might damage it. For this light connector, take a closer look. There is a locking tab here. Press this small clip down and then pull it out. Here also has a small pressure tab. Look carefully. You can press it down and release IT. IT needs a bit of technique. For this connector, there's no special trick. Just don't pull the wire. Pull the plug itself. If it's stuck, wiggle it left and right, then pull it out. IT will come off like this. If you really can't pull it out, there are two T20 screws here. You can use the included screwdriver to remove them. Then the speaker can be removed together with this cover. Otherwise, if you leave it hanging here, it might still be fine if the wire is long enough. But make sure not to scratch or damage the wire insulation. Next, remove this inner trim panel. Just pull it outward. The new version is easier than the old one. Along the edges, just pull it out. There are fewer clips than before. After removing the panel, put it aside. Many people can't find where the cabin filter cover is. Look here, it has a cross-pattern surface. This is the filter cover. In the past, there was a screw here, and you had to unscrew it. Now, no screw anymore. At the bottom, you still need to lift it slightly. There is a small tab you can press with your finger. Press this small piece upward, and remove the cover. Now the filters are inside. You can pull them out. There is one handle. Pull it up. Then the second one. Pull it up again. Both can be removed like this. Installing is the same process, just in reverse order. First, insert the filter with the handle facing up. Push it in until it sits properly. Then take the second filter, press the handle down slightly, and slide it in. Insert the second one the same way. Now look at how to install the filter cover. The cover has this structure. There is a slot here. Insert this part into the opening, then press it down. You must press the filter handle down while installing. At the side, make sure it locks in place. IT will snap into position. Once it clicks, it's secured. Now reinstall the side panel, align all positions properly, then just press it back in, everything will snap into place. Reconnect the glove box lower panel. First plug in these two wires, the speaker wire first, just insert the connector back. Then reconnect the light wire. After reconnecting, the light should turn on. Now reinstall this lower cover. There is a raised tab here. Insert it into this rectangular slot, then press the cover upward. Make sure all clips are aligned. Press everything upward evenly. Tap all panels back into place. Once everything is secured, you are done. Put the floor mat back, return the seat to its original position, and that's how you replace the cabin air filter on the refreshed Model 3. I'm Lex. If you'd like to order genuine OEM parts, aftermarket parts, or used parts, please contact me. Full refund for non-OEM parts.